Hi guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we're gonna be building a house inside a beehive in Minecraft. So yeah, we're gonna be building a house inside a beehive. So we're gonna get an ender pearl and we're gonna throw it in where? Wait. Let me first put in some of my stuff. And then we're gonna go in here and then here we go. And yeah. I also got this new armor set, which is like bee armor. But it doesn't give you slow falling, so if you fly, it's gonna basically be like a huge jump. You still take fall damage, which they need to fix. But yeah, we're gonna try to build a house inside a giant beehive. So we're just gonna get this. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also, this is like a used version for the Bumble Zone mod, so there's gonna be like new structures. And there's also a structure called like a Wraith dungeon. Now, because I have this armor set on, I should be safe there, and I could probably just take the honey all I want. So let's see if I'm correct. Let's just drink all of this. Because I should be stingless because of this armor set. I also got this new weapon. But we don't really need shears because you can't just shear it. It doesn't work for some reason. So we're just gonna try to get as much blocks as we could so we can possibly build a house here. And we're gonna try to build a huge house. We're not gonna build those tiny ones I always build. We're gonna try to build a bigger one, like a whole. We're gonna try to build like almost like a mansion, like a mini tiny mansion. I'm also gonna get some honeycomb blocks because that's how you build it. I don't want to break the honey blocks because then it'll remove the music, and I like this music. It sounds very good. Wait a minute. Doesn't this mean I can... No, I thought I could go through that because I am a bee. And there's also a block that's like a border. There's also like a honey border like thing. There's also a type of block that's sort of like a honey border. Like a honey wall, a wall of honey. Preventing for players to go through it. Unless you could just break around it. So there's pretty much no point of it. So we're just gonna get some of this. Wait, I can climb walls! Can I climb? Wait, I can climb walls. Gosh, this is so cool, I can climb walls. Who needs elytras or ladders when you can climb walls out of me? This is so cool. Uh-oh, but it doesn't last that long. You can only fly for a little bit, and then go back down. I guess that's the balance, so it's not too overpowered. And even if it's a worthy reward, it can't be as overpowered as it can possibly be. down on water, though. That is not what I meant to do. But we have this weapon. I can sting them. It makes absolutely no sense. They should be immune to sting. What? I thought I had this helmet. How are they still getting me? Unless it doesn't completely immune me. It just makes me... Okay, that did not work at all. Yeah, just don't. Just be careful. You need to be careful. It doesn't make sense how you can just place one beehive like immediately and then you can go inside of it, even though it has no bees. Like, it doesn't make sense how if you just place down a beehive and if you go inside of it, there's gonna be so much honey and it's gonna be like 1,000,000 bees, even though you just placed it down and it's like a brand new hive. How could they be all that honey already? You just placed it down. Oh look, a slime ball. I guess that's how you get slime in this dimension, because there are no slimes other than those honey ones. Also, because I gave myself unbreakable ones, then they cannot break. Also, these helmets cannot break because they gave myself unbreakable ones. Okay, so back to what we were doing. We were building a house inside this dimension. So let's go get some more blocks. I was also going to give myself haste. Look, a Beehive. If you didn't know, you can actually ride these. In my previous videos, I didn't know you can ride these, so I ended up just killing them. But now I understand what this is actually supposed to be for. Oh wait, this is the saddled one. I think this armor lets you see all the bees. But why is the Beehive so slow? You're supposed to be fast. I thought you were supposed to be fast. Okay, let's just get all this. Okay, Div had us haste. Just to break blocks faster. Okay, I think I have enough. I have so much. What am I gonna do for all this? I'm pretty sure most of it is just gonna be... I have so much. Okay, now we have to go to the honeycomb. Okay, I think we have enough. Okay, I think we have enough. I think it's time to go and actually build this house. We need to build it somewhere where we can remember where it was. Now we need to build it. Okay, what if we fly with... Let's go over that hill. Or maybe we can build our own landscape. Wait a minute, I just realized I have more honeycomb than I have more roof blocks than wall blocks. And the walls are the most important. go. Time to build. Let's build a little bit far away from there. Or you know what if we make our own landscape for this? We don't have to find a flat area, we can just make our own landscape. I mean, that doesn't mean we have to replace elytras. Maybe we should dig out some landscape right here. No, but it doesn't sound like a good idea. Or what if we build our own landscape instead? Wait, what? Oh, I think if you sneak, then it breaks the blocks below you when you move around. I think that's what it means. big enough landscape. Time to build. So we're gonna build it like this. Oopsies. Now I know how to build. You don't just build these giant boxes, these giant weird looking houses. You do something like this. Now here's a good tip when you're building. So if you have two huge roofs, just slant it a little bit down, so then it doesn't look so weird. So if you have like a too big roof, then just slant it down a little bit. So yeah. So because this roof would be huge, wait. Or what if we just do something like this? Just a little bit of a change the house up a little bit. I always build houses with those normal roofs. Let's build a house that has this kind of roof. Now let me just, okay, I don't really like these boots. They just make things a little harder. Because sometimes I need to sneak. So now we're gonna be building this. And we're almost done. So it's almost ready. We just have to, please don't tell me I'll run out of honeycomb blocks. Come on, we're almost done with the house. Actually, I will run out of honeycomb. Yeah, this is not enough. We definitely need more. Now luckily there's more right here. Here's a whole stack. Okay, come on, it's almost done. Okay. Oopsies. Okay, come on. Is it done? Yes, it's done! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wait, no. Let me do / give @s. Wait, what was it called? Oh, lodestone. Yeah, lodestone. And then give @s compass. There we go! Finally, we did it!